Chief Minister of Manipur N.Biren today handed over temporary fabricated 200 out of 400 houses in the inmates who are residing at different relief camps. The inauguration and handing over program was held at Sajiwa in Imphal East today. Ministers, MLAs, officials of different departments took part in the program. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister N.Biren said the government has taken up the initiative in view of the prevailing situation in Manipur. He further said 200 out of 400 fabricated temporary houses have been handed over to the inmates who are residing at different relief camps in Imphal. The remaining houses will also be handed over to other inmates soon. He also said that indigenous people have learned a good lesson in the prevailing situation. The government is trying its level best to bring peaceful coexistence in the state. He appealed to the people of Manipur to maintain peace.
Thengabada sigi numitara tara mangana simanu dayamba goirani singi Soshanpur ga kanoga Kamkopi ga khidang delay tawgani lam gi khidang adu lam Kamkopi gi lam identify tawra Soshanpur is almost identified aduga atai valley gi di ayamba ai sun khanda 10-15 days gi manu dayamba boy shift tawgole siga heroine na mo permanent mogi structure mai thado ki ba thuga ki kyo mayam se masigi sagan nam ki koi kanna koi survey to bolo sale adu kun lekai sne yum sagan so khorani masidi matam kitang disangani thamanga truk chai mu cha thamanga truk disangani ai sum khan bana duga rehabilitation temporary set of hongan bai di singi Kamkopi ga Soshan program kitang delay to gani adu atai area di within 20 days. Other fixed